This video shows you how to make Bakoori, a simple deep-fried vegetable food ideal as a snack or to share. These are the ingredients we used, but they're listed in more detail in the description box. First, you need to wash, peel and dice the vegetables. You could choose whichever vegetables you like. Here, we chose potatoes, carrots, red onion, bell peppers, courgette, spring onion and chili pepper if you like a little spice. Once everything's chopped up, mix it into a big bowl. Along with the diced veggies, we added sweet corn, coriander, all of the herbs and spices, garlic, gram flour, and then mixed it really well. The details are in the description. Next, add water, but in small steps, and continue to mix until you get a thick consistency, similar to one that you'll see here. I forgot to add the baking powder earlier, so I've added it in now, and I also decided to add some extra chili flakes, but again that's optional if you like spice. Okay, now this is looking like the perfect consistency, so we can start getting the oil ready for the deep frying. Once the oil's hot, use a tablespoon to scoop up the Bakoori mix, like I'm doing, and try and make them roughly the same size as one another. Make sure to flip them so all sides fry evenly. You can tell it's nearly ready because they'll turn into a goldeny brown colour. When they're all goldeny brown, take them out of the oil. Place a tissue on top of the plate that you're putting them onto so it can soak up the excess oils. When they're cool, they'll be ready to eat. They go perfectly well with hummus or any other sauce. You can have it in a sandwich or as finger food, whichever you'd prefer. This is a homemade hummus, which is one of my favourite combinations. I hope you enjoyed this Bakoori, so stay tuned, like and share for more.